Have you ever been in a situation where you're trying to solve a problem, but you keep hitting roadblocks and nothing seems to work? Maybe it's something as simple as trying to organize your closet, or as complex as developing a new product feature at work. You try different solutions, rearrange things, buy new organizing tools, but nothing quite fits. It's frustrating, and you start to wonder if you're even solving the right problem in the first place. Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. The importance of clearly defining the problem before trying to tackle solutions. Hey, I'm Cecilia, and welcome back to the Product-Led Alliance YouTube channel. As product managers, one of the most crucial first steps in any development process is defining the right problem to solve. Having a well-framed problem statement grounds our teams in the core customer need and guides the solution design. In this video, we'll explore what makes an effective product problem statement. We'll also share some common frameworks and examples and discuss key takeaways to put this vital skill into practice. So get ready to level up your problem framing abilities. A good problem statement should concisely define the key user needs and obstacles to address without assuming specific solutions up front. This focuses the team on the right challenges to solve versus just pushing features. An effective statement helps to align stakeholders on the goal, direct design efforts on addressing root causes, benchmark progress as solutions are tested, set the stage for the entire product development process. The most effective product problem statements follow the SMART framework. That means they should be specific, clearly defines the target users and their struggles, measurable, highlights concrete obstacles to quantify progress, achievable, focuses on needs that the product can reasonably address, relevant, maps directly to customer goals and pain points, time-bound, urges urgency by linking to business metrics. A common pitfall is stating the problem as a lack of a specific solution. For example, customers need a mobile app to pay bills with their camera. This assumes a smartphone app is the answer before identifying the actual user problem. Instead, focus on the customer's difficulty. Customers find paying bills tedious, as entering details is cumbersome and error-prone. There are several frameworks that can help you craft targeted problem statements. The first is the 5 W's. This uses the classic who, what, when, where, why, and how questions to view the problem from the user's perspective. For example, who? Commuters. What? Difficulty finding parking. When? During peak hours. Where? At train stations. Why? Leads to missed trains. How? By reserving spots ahead of time. The second is a business case, which quantifies the market size, target customer segments, and financial costs of the problem to the business. Third, we have user personas, which are used to map the problem directly to the goals, behaviors, and pain points of a specific user persona. For instance, fitness enthusiasts struggle to track their progress, leading to discouragement and abandoning their goals. And finally, we have SMART criteria that we talked about earlier. Using one or a combination of these frameworks provides a guiding structure to craft targeted, well-rounded problem statements. The key is deeply understanding your users, analyzing data, and framing the obstacles without making assumptions about solutions up front. Let's look at a well-known company, Spotify, for example. Here's what their problem statement for music discovery could look like. Spotify users struggle to discover new music in-app, decreasing engagement and retention over time. Improving recommendations and playlists can help users find music and increase loyalty. If you want to start crafting problem statements as succinct and focused as Spotify's, then follow these simple steps. Involve stakeholders early to get diverse perspectives. Observe real customers to map needs and pain points. Leverage user research and data to quantify struggles. Use frameworks like 5 W's and SMART criteria. Avoid using a specific solution path. Design experiments to test if solutions achieve outcomes. Continuously refine as you learn more about customers. Clearly defining the problem without assuming solutions, understanding target users and their obstacles, and using frameworks to craft focused, measurable statements are all key to setting the stage for developing high-impact solutions. Sharpening your problem framing skills will elevate your product development process. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to share examples of problem statements that have worked well for you.